this is our first day on our honeymoon, and we've had quite a few problems so far. Our first experience with renting a car through Booking. Booking obviously had some issues with the company, and instead of giving us a manual transmission with gas, the company only had electric and automatic, which was quite a little bit of an issue because we've never driven that before. But anyway, after like 2 hours trying to figure it out, we managed to get a manual transmission car. And now we are in Bastia, trying to find some food, and everything's basically closed until 5. Yeah, we're just on the run for food right now. After about a 3-hour drive, we arrived at an amazing Airbnb we found online. A tiny cottage in Monticello, surrounded by mountains, complete privacy and lovely nature. We plan to stay there about a week, so we can be close to all the nearby towns and beaches. It was a perfect location in the south. Also, right before this, we stopped at a nearby supermarket so we can get a lot of goodies for dinner. Morning! So after a good night's sleep, we are gonna go down to one of the beaches, which is about 10 minutes drive from here. And we want to snorkel, we want to do some drone shots and just walk and just enjoy everything we can. Oh, oh, It's the third day of our trip, and we wanted to visit some beaches around Bonifacio, which are pretty secluded. And we stumbled on a little bit of a hop, let's say, because we thought we could drive somewhere close by. It's basically through a forest, but we didn't know what kind of road it is, and Google Maps were like, it's fine, you can take the car here, no biggie. But there's no way we could take the car through this kind of road, and I'll show you what I mean. There is no way a car could fit through here. Absolutely no way. finally got some time to... I don't know what that was. We finally got some time to walk around Puerto Vecchio. We've been to a few beaches in the past few days, and as you can see, I'm basically a lobster. And right now, yeah, we wanted to visit a little bit of the town and then later eat some dinner because everything opens here around 5 or 7, something like that. Depends on your luck. But I'm really looking forward to some cool down, I think, after all the walking we did in the past 2 days. So much for coming along with me, and leave a like if you enjoyed.